Hello everyone, welcome to HW News. A group of artists from West Bengal which is going to poll the first phase of assembly elections is going to be held tomorrow, and before that a group of artists from Bengal have released a music video, and today we are going to talk about that. But before this, if you are watching this video on YouTube, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel, you like this video and you comment below the video. And if you are watching this video on Facebook, then please like our page and share this video to as many people as possible. Now let's talk about what this group of artists have done. This assembly election season, BJP is fighting the Bengal battle in a do or die mode. It has deployed all its election machinery in the state. From range of ministers to chief ministers from neighboring state, Prime Minister Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and the President of the BJP, JP Nadda, all have been campaigning in the state aggressively. Even before the campaigning started full-fledgedly, the BJP was accused of using polarization and religious divide as a tool to score political points in the state. From the use of Jai Shri Ram slogan to counter Mamata Banerjee to accusing her of appeasing minorities, the BJP has tried it all. The TMC, on the other hand, has slammed the BJP as an outsider party which does not understand the culture of the BJP. Thus, it is no doubt that the campaign is high octane. However, just 3 days before the first phase of polling, several Bengali artists from the spheres of theatre, music and cinema have joined hands to collaborate for a music video that calls for defeating the fascist forces. The video, though does not name any politician or any party particularly, it is pretty much clear to who it is directed at. The signature slogan in the 6-minute-long song is "We are not afraid, we are angry." In a song titled Nijeder Mote Nijeder Gan, which is our song about our views, without explicitly naming the BJP, the artists have taken a stand against its ideology of hatred. The video has frequent references to their catchphrases like Achhe Din, Go to Pakistan, Anti-National, Urban Naxal and Tukde Tukde Gang. The song minces no words to call out intolerance and hatred. The video stars artists as Parambrata Chatterjee, Anirban Bhattacharya, Sabyasachi Chakraborty, Rudra Prasad Sen Gupta, Anupam Roy, Rupankar Bakchi, Riddhi Sen and Suman Mukhopadhyay. It includes artists from cinema, theatre and music fields. Now here is what one of the lines from the song says. "You are here to invade, you know nothing of patriotism." Now this is what one of the lines says. Another line says, "All your explanations begin and end with Pakistan." There are references to the Nazis, their atrocities and how they ran their propaganda. The video discusses issues such as protest against the National Register of Citizens and the Citizenship Amendment Act, the rate of unemployment in the country and the rising fuel prices. It also condemns the bloodshed in the name of religion and instances of violence. One of the lines says, "Ami anyo kothao jabo na, ami e deshete thakbo," which means I won't go anywhere else and would continue to live in this country. Now this comes as a refrain that has been penned by actor Anirban Chatterjee. The video is shot at different iconic locations of Kolkata, including the famous Chinese Kali Mandir and the street side halim vendors in front of the city's majestic Nakhoda Masjid in an effort to highlight Bengal's rich history of tolerance and pluralism. The song also features news headlines of growing unemployment, rising fuel prices, India trailing Pakistan in the Global Hunger Index, to hit out at the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's administration, as well as features protest against the centre's citizenship law, the National Register of Citizens and the farm laws as well. The song was uploaded on the YouTube channel of Citizens United and it has been a hit online, with viewership crossing into lakhs within few hours of its release on YouTube, Facebook and Instagram on Tuesday night. The song has also garnered praises on Twitter. This has also led to questions over silence in the Bollywood over the issue that plagued the country. Recently, TMC's Khela Hobe song had also taken internet with a storm, but this song by artists who claim that they are not supporting any particular party but are against the ideology of hatred hit hard on the eve of the first phase of polling after a bitter campaign in West Bengal. While the song is instant hit on social media, will people listen to the message in the video and vote accordingly? that remains to be seen. Do let us know what you think in the comment box below. For more news and updates, you can log on to www.hwnews.in. I'm also adding a link of the original music video in the description, so you can go and check out the video itself. Also, a very small appeal to all of our viewers before I take your leave. We have launched a membership drive on our YouTube channel HW News English. To support us, to support the journalism that we do, please click on the join button. You can get to know about the levels of membership that we offer and the perks and benefits of these memberships. You will get to know in the video that is following. So please click on the join button. Do support us. Do pay to keep journalism free, fair and independent. Thank you so much. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.